Hi there, today I am going to show you how to find email from website owner. To find emails from a website you need Google Chrome browser and a browser extension. There have many popular extensions in Chrome Web Store. You can use this which you feel comfortable. First, open your Google Chrome browser and go to your site where you want to collect email. I want email from this website Indeed.com. Now we install an extension in this browser, so I go to Setting. Click here and click Setting. Click here and click Extensions. Then go to the Chrome Web Store. You can go Web Store many ways by Google search. Now search here by type Email Finder. Scroll down. This is the extension. Click on this. There has some user guide of this extension. Click on Add to Chrome and add the extension. Now go to the site from where you collect email. Notice there is our logo of the extension which I have added. Click here. Look, all email from this website are shown. But there is a problem, these are not shown full email address. Here says login or sign up to reveal email. Click to sign up. By filling this field, you can sign up, or click here you can sign up also. Alright. To do this, you must log into your Gmail. Click here. Gmail wants permission, then your sign up is complete. Again, click the extension. Now full address is shown. You can save this email address to your extension account. Thank you for watching.